Well, COVID-19 has created all sorts of trickle-down effects, from the economy to how we live our everyday lives. One positive is that healthcare programs here in Hawaii are starting to see an increase in applicants. That means more people are being inspired to take care of the community.
Healthcare has always been a noble profession, but because of the pandemic, more people are seeing the value of pursuing a career in the medical field.
What we are seeing is a lot of interest in our preview days, which are virtual events. I'm having people dropping by my office, calling me on the phone, emailing me, and I'm seeing more referrals.
Roberta Haley is the dean of the School of Nursing and Health Professions at Chaminade University. She estimates a roughly 33% increase in interest from those wanting to get into healthcare than in years past.
COVID has just brought to their attention the great need. So we need nurses. There's a shortage of nurses to care for patients, including COVID patients. I think they're also seeing how much good can be done.
Hawaii Medical College has programs that start every 5 weeks. The CEO says it's also seeing a jump in applicants, about 10 to 15% more.
When things are challenging economically, people look to find more stable employment opportunities. And definitely healthcare is one of the stablest, in spite of the economic challenges.
The pandemic is not only inspiring more people to get into healthcare, but it's also motivating current students.
I think that it actually inspired me to kind of study harder because a lot of things that we are learning are really relevant to a lot of the symptoms that you would see with COVID.
And while they may be first-year students at the John A. Burns School of Medicine, they are ready to start helping the community.
I think learning how to protect yourself, how to protect others in our community, and what we can do to kind of prevent the spread, that kind of helps offset the fear, and just trying to be more cognizant of what we're doing and others around us, but definitely way more inspired.
If you're feeling inspired, Hawaii Medical College says apply.
We're really looking for people that take responsibility, people that are courageous, and people that really, really sincerely, wholeheartedly care about people.
Now, both Chaminade University and Hawaii Medical College offer a number of different programs. If you're interested in applying, we'll put more information on our website. That's khon2.com.